Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm FlyDogD and I'm back with another video. Y'all, I did this video about a week ago where I showed you the palettes that I thought about buying and the one I actually bought. I had so much fun doing it, I'm going to do it again. But this one is with more products. I was really paying attention to how many products that were released, and it is a lot. It is a lot. And old me, about 3, 4, 5 weeks ago, me would have been all up on it, buying as many as I could in my invisible budget. But I am seriously on a budget, and I am doing a low buy all of 2024. So speaking of my budget, now y'all let me know if I'm wrong, okay? So to me, a low buy is because I have a lot of stuff that I don't need really anything else, and 2, limit my purchases on our credit card, because our credit card bill be up there and we don't roll over any balances. We always pay what the balance is at the end of the month. So that's been a little bit steep. So I think that as long as I don't put something on a credit card, I can buy more things. Meaning I buy a little debit card from Walmart, or I go into store. It still will not be a lot, but it gives me a bigger budget. So does that count against a low buy? Am I not thinking this through correctly? To me, I think that's fine. Let me know down below what you think, because my husband thinks otherwise. Anyway, let's get to this video. Now, I haven't bought the things I want to buy yet, but these are the things I've been looking at, either to buy that were immediately no's, that was maybes, or that were maybe when it goes on sale. Okay, speaking of sales, the Sephora VIB sale will be in April. I'll put that information here as well, so you will know when it's occurring. It's the standard percentages off. Now, I want to say up front where I got these pictures and the information from, okay? I got them from Trend Mood 1. I got it from Makeup on Your Radar, and I'll put them all in the description box down below, because they are very diligent in making sure we have makeup news, and I really appreciate it. Let's see who else. Makeup on Your Radar, Trend Mood. Okay, that's where I got most of these from, but if I get it from a different site, I will have them all listed below. But all counts like that, I truly do appreciate, because it gets me the information I need to see if I'm going to buy anything. All right, now we're going to get on to the video. All right, first up we have these Merit Beauty Signature Lightweight Matte Lipsticks. They're coming out on the 22nd. They're $26. If I get any, it will be that nude. Next we have Clarity Cosmetics Deadly Rose Palette. I think it releases today for $30. No thank you. Inslee Rain Groovy Garden Palette for $69. Yes. Rock-a-Block Brand. This is their Pioneer Pride t-shirt for $30. Definitely getting. Next up we have Danessa Myrick. She was releasing another Groundwork. This one's Mauves, Pinks, and Berries for $65. Maybe Patrick Top Blushes and Glosses, but new colors, no thank you. Huda Beauty Cream Palettes. I am considering the neutral brown one. Next is Pat McGrath. She's re-releasing Mothership 8 in a gold palette for more money. I don't understand. No thank you. But I have heard she is not the head of the brand anymore. This is Danessa Myrick. It's her serum for oily skin, and then she has a repair balm for dry skin. Definitely getting that dry one. LYS Beauty, they're coming out with a cream glow brush. I'm getting one of them to try it out. Thrive Cosmetics releasing new mascara in different colors. I want to know where they got that Chantequilla that from. Next up is the Super Goop Daily SPF Tint for $45. 14 shades. I'm thinking about that. Tower 28 Tinted Lip Treatment Balm. No, thank you. Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Tint for lips and cheek. No, thank you. Next, we have the Haus Labs Hybrid Lip Glaze for $26. Immediately no. New Sticks Sunscreen Blush with SPF 30 for $30. Immediately no. Tinted Mineral Sunscreen Skin Tint for $42. I may consider it. The Kopari Sun Shield On The Glow Sheer Stick Sunscreen with SPF 40 for $29. Immediately no. Essence Magic Filter Booster Foundation. Immediately no. Pimby Majestic Eyeshadow Palette. Immediately no. Natasha Denona this is just released today. They have this Hyper Natural Face Palette for $62. I will be passing on that. For fragrances, the Tom Ford Vanilla Fatale for $250. No, thank you. Next, we have the Strawberry Letter with Cassius Leaf Notes, Strawberry Garret, Apple Blossom, Sugared Amber. Yes, yes, yes. The Victor and Rolf Tiger Lily Coconut, Tiger Lily and Mango. Yes, yes, yes. 7 Virtues Amber Vanilla with notes of amber. Vanilla, no thank you. Valentino Green Extravaganza, no thank you. Then we have the Zara Love Explosion with Rose Praline Bitter Orange for $35.90, maybe. Next up, we have the Juvia's Place Liquid Blush Lighter, $18. I'm thinking about getting one shade. Next, we have the One Size Cheek Clapper with Girly Pop, definitely getting. KVD Good Apple Blush Balm or Bronze Duos, no thank you. J-Cat Cake Blush Highlighter for $8.99. No, immediately no. Next, we have the Fantasy Cosmetica. This is a collection, but this is the Wizards palette for $36.99. It's blue. Already got Winter Wonderland, so I'm good. Next up, this is a maybe. This is a Pharmacy Lip Smoothie and Honey Vanilla. They do have another shade, $22. I am thinking about that. Immediately no to the Old Nazar Legendary Diversa Part 2 with Fancy Face Judy and Annette. No, thank you. And last but not least, Tom Ford Slim Lip Colors. No. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. I know I went through that pretty fast. That's the point of the video. I want to go through it fast. It's fun. But y'all, let me know down below if you're thinking about getting any of these products or passing on them. And really, if you're on a no buy or low buy like I am, I need some girlies to help me boost me up, because this is just my second month and this one was a little difficult, and I also need to know an answer about buying things with cash or on a debit card or something like that doesn't go on your Visa bill. I think I'm right, but I could be wrong. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you in another one, stay fly, sis.